Hello people on the internet and my friends, welcome back to another video. And if you're new here, welcome to my channel. I do makeup, so if you like makeup, definitely subscribe. As you see on the title, today we're doing a Vogue magazine challenge. I started on TikTok, then is now on Instagram. This is my outfit. This is a turtleneck, plain tee, and plate
plaid
pants, and I'm gonna put on this denim jacket. So here's the look. I just stand further away. Now we're going to put on primer, foundation, concealer, and we'll come back and we'll do contour, eyebrows, and eyeshadow to feel the look. Oh my god, why am I so pale? Okay, holy shit. We're gonna go to contour. Now we're going to go to TikTok. Oh shit. I'm gonna find that video I liked. Did I like? Oh, I saved it. Video. We need cream contour, concealer, translucent powder, and highlighter. So I have contour, but I don't have cream contour. I have a translucent powder. I don't know what powder this is. It says it's pressed powder. I don't know how to use this. I bought it when I first started doing makeup for musical theater. And I thought it was like powdered foundation, but apparently it's not. We're just gonna use this as my translucent powder. I have highlighter. I'm gonna use the Conspiracy palette, the shade Wretch. I like that. It looks good as a highlighter. So she draws a triangle here. So we're gonna do that. I'm gonna take the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil. I don't know. I should have drawn my eyebrows in. Also, I shaved my brow. Only left the front part, so yeah. There we go. Now we're going to contour the under of. Now draw a circle on my already very round nose. Oh, so we're gonna take a concealer. And now we're going to blend it with this brush. So that's the nose. Now we're going to continue with our makeup, and I'm gonna do my brows off camera and we'll come back. Hi, there's some problem with the audio, so I'm doing a voiceover now. Currently I'm doing the eyeshadow shade Diet Root Beer on my lids. Yes, to darken the whole thing. I'm basically going in with a very simple, easy look. Now I'm using the shade Tanacon under my eyes. Oh my god, what am I doing? So now we are putting a shimmer shade under the eye, right at the corner. Yeah. Okay, so now I'm adding this shade Ranch, just a little bit on the tip of my eye. So I touched up my eyes. Now I look like I'm very sleepy. I think this technique doesn't suit my face or my eye shape. So now we're going to draw our liner. This is challenging, but I saw someone said that you follow the lower line of your eye to draw the liner. So I think I'll do this off camera so I can do it slowly, and we'll come back when I'm done. It's raining outside, it's very loud, I'm sorry. So I've drawn my liner. It looks weird, but I kind of like it. I like this side. I have a shitty liner. I think it took me quite some time to do this. Also, yeah, touched up and it's okay, I guess. Now we're going in with blush. So I learned a trick about mascara is that you have to warm it up and it becomes very liquidy and it's super easy to use. Anyways, we're going to mascara. Now we're going with the lips. So this is the simple look I have. Really didn't picture this turning out this way, but it looks cute. We're going to show you the full look. I'm gonna put on earrings and we'll be back. So now here I have a blank wall. I'm going to take pictures with this wall. It's a really simple and just chic kind of, I want to say model-ish look. This whole look is just me trying new stuff. Like this bat liner, I don't think it turns out well. It doesn't really suit my face. Also this highlight thing under the eye, I see a lot of Korean do that. That's the makeup. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Definitely like if you like it. Also subscribe to see more makeup related videos like this. You can also watch my playlist of makeup videos and other videos that I do. So hope you guys come back to the next video. We'll see you guys next time. Goodbye. 1, 2, 3, funky.